Sainte-Catherine Street, a bustling thoroughfare in the heart of Montreal, Canada, has been a symbol of the city's vitality and culture for over a century. As one of North America's most iconic streets, it has evolved from humble beginnings into a vibrant hub of commerce, culture, and history. The story of Sainte-Catherine Street is a testament to Montreal's growth and resilience, showcasing the influence of English merchants and the rise of world-renowned department stores like Henry Morgan and Company. This article explores the rich history and enduring legacy of Sainte-Catherine Street, a true gem of Quebec. A glimpse into the past. Sainte-Catherine Street's history can be traced back to the early days of Montreal's development in the 19th century. Initially, it was a quiet road, but this was destined to change. Toward the end of the 19th century, English merchants began to set up shop along Sainte-Catherine Street West, a primarily residential area. The influence of English merchants. The arrival of English merchants marked a significant turning point in the street's history. These entrepreneurs brought their expertise in trade and commerce, transforming Sainte-Catherine Street into a bustling commercial hub. Their influence on the city's economy and culture cannot be overstated. One notable location was Phillips Square, situated at the intersection of Sainte-Catherine Street and Union Avenue. Phillips Square became the epicenter of Montreal's commercial and social life, hosting elegant gatherings, political rallies, and public celebrations. The square's significance was cemented by the construction of impressive buildings that housed some of Montreal's most prestigious businesses. The birth of department stores. The late 19th century also witnessed the emergence of department stores on Sainte-Catherine Street. Among the most notable was Henry Morgan and Co., which set up shop in Phillips Square. Established in 1845 by Henry Morgan, a native of Scotland, this store quickly became synonymous with quality and luxury. It catered to the city's elite, offering a wide range of high-end products, from fashion to home furnishings. Henry Morgan and Company played a pivotal role in shaping the modern shopping experience. Its vast, multi-floor emporium was a marvel of its time, boasting a stunning facade and interior architecture that combined functionality with luxury. The store featured an array of departments, each specializing in specific products, making it a forerunner of the modern department store concept. Shoppers could peruse various goods, from clothing to housewares, all under one roof. The store's commitment to customer satisfaction and its innovative marketing strategies set new standards in the retail industry. Henry Morgan and Company was renowned for its exceptional customer service, personalized attention, and the iconic Morgan's Santa Claus Parade. This beloved holiday tradition continues to this day in Montreal. The changing face of Sainte-Catherine Street. Over the decades, Sainte-Catherine Street evolved to reflect the changing needs and tastes of Montreal's diverse population. While it was initially the domain of English merchants, the street gradually welcomed entrepreneurs from various cultural backgrounds. The city's cosmopolitan character began to shine through its businesses, architecture, and street life. The influence of culture and entertainment. Sainte-Catherine Street also became a center for culture and entertainment. It was lined with theaters, cinemas, restaurants, and music venues that catered to the city's artistic and social scene. The street's theaters, such as the renowned Théâtre Saint-Denis, showcased various performances, from opera and ballet to Broadway shows and rock concerts. These cultural landmarks brought people from all walks of life together, fostering a sense of unity and shared experiences. The evolution continues. Today, Sainte-Catherine Street continues to evolve. It has seen extensive revitalization efforts aimed at preserving its historic charm while modernizing its infrastructure. The street's retail landscape has adapted to changing consumer preferences, with a mix of local boutiques, international brands, and trendy cafes. While Henry Morgan and Company no longer graces Phillips Square, its legacy lives on in the spirit of innovation and exceptional service that defines the street's businesses. Sainte-Catherine Street is more than just a thoroughfare, it is a living testament to Montreal's resilience, cultural diversity, and economic vitality. This iconic street has seen everything from its humble beginnings as a residential road to its transformation into a bustling commercial and cultural hub. The influence of English merchants and the rise of department stores like Henry Morgan and Company played pivotal roles in shaping Sainte-Catherine Street's legacy. As we stroll down Sainte-Catherine Street today, we are reminded of its storied history and enduring importance to Montreal. It stands as a testament to the power of commerce, culture, and community to shape a city's identity and future. So, the next time you find yourself in Montreal, take a leisurely walk down Sainte-Catherine Street, and you'll be stepping into a living museum of history and a vibrant showcase of the city's spirit.